Alright, so getting ready to go to a event called the nissiniti. I guess it's a car show, I'm not sure. First time there. And then we might play some Pokemon Go afterwards, but damn. Yeah. And then we'll do a oil change later. I was supposed to do camera arms today, but we'll see if that follows through. How do you feel right now?
I feel great.
It's your first time at a car show?
No, it's not.
No?
No.
How many times have you been to a car show?
I've been to many car shows.
They don't mean bedroom car shows. Twins. Yeah. His one's better though. Look, Joya, how deep that is. It's over here playing Pokemon. Alright, so at the end of this, right, you're gonna see, I'm gonna ask you which car you want, or which car you think, or what car you like the best, okay? Wise fan. Oh, that's 13. Look at that, S14 front end. I didn't even notice it until after.
Hold on.
This one for now? Okay. See how big the brakes are? Jeez. Yeah.
Yeah, I run into these like Drano, I got that.
Size at 610. With the oil coolers on the outside. So those are the rims I wanted to get for my car. No? Why not?
I don't like it. It looks like starfish.
Just like what?
A starfish. You have to have a flower. I think get those. That one's better.
Which one? These ones?
I like the whole.
That's cool. Get lights too. Okay.
One more people, one more person.
Alright, you're welcome. See you later. Sorry.
It's all good. I guess it's
One more person, guys. Come on. Let's see. Who we got in the crowd? Guys don't want it. What that throw? Oh my god. I think this is the most intensive contest I've ever seen.
what are they
My
doing?
man's Keys is
They're eating
doing three.
Twinkies.
My man's on his third one. Oh, there you go. Look at that cream filling, Armando.
Think we like it. Take it back over there, right?
I hope you don't look nervous.
This one. So my car would have been in here. Had a G35 on rims, which I did, right? I like that, like carbon fiber, but some portions of it is painted.
Yeah, the accents. Ooh, that's a nice
That's really good. All right,
It's like,
we're gonna give away a hoodie. You got it? You want to come? Come on. We can give you multiple choice too. Nobody else? You come here. What is
the merch.
by production? What is the rarest color that Nissan released for the 353? Rarest color is lowest
Julia, what's the rarest color of
production color.
the rare production color of a Nissan 350Z?
Sunburst orange.
Are there's gonna be that or maybe a yellow?
Oh.
We'll see. Puppy.
I'm gonna let you rethink again, okay? After show is white. Alright?
Show us.
350Z. 350Z. Here, you now have the third right. That's it. Very close, but it's not. Good try, Bob. Nobody else Googling. I see you guys Googling.
Or a copper. I think it's a copper color.
You just,
So,
come here.
like copper, sunburst, orange, or
You didn't see
yellow.
my answer, did you, from behind me? Alright. What is the rarest color that Nissan released in production for the 350Z? Silver one. What is it? Silver one. You said that with confidence, but no, that was wrong too.
Hey Julia, what car is this?
Incorrect. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. I like your shirt.
Japanese car.
What kind of car is it?
A box car.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna tell you.
What does it say right there?
Alright,
FEMA.
now we're gonna get to some funnier things.
It has the
Who else wants to come up?
same
We're
motor.
gonna see if you're
300.
smarter than a fifth grader. Why does this thing do it?
Oh. The dog looking at you. Dog. Oh look, there's more cars here. We'll check out the
The one that didn't make it to second place.
wall. There's 13, RB25. What do you think about it so far? Okay, well, we walked around. All right, Julia, so we got done with the top portion where we had to, right? Where all the car shows are, or the car, you know, whatever. But where are we going? Where are we going now?
We're gonna go to normal people's cars.
So the second car show,
Yeah, the
next
free one.
the next best thing
Yeah.
is the car show that what?
That people couldn't get in to the top.
All right. Let's start on this end. So it's the next best car show. Is that what it is?
Yes. Oh yeah, look at that white seal over there. Look at that.
Over there. All right. We'll get to that car. We'll get to that car. Mustang. Oh yeah. Hey, how do you change the setting in this camera? Because it's pretty dark.
Well, like I said, more accent.
More what?
Accent.
So it has to be more Filipino. What kind of accent do you want?
Light accent.
All right. The other one left. Oh, what is this car here?
Oh yeah, I like that one.
Why do you like it?
It's just so white.
Oh, okay.
I like white.
Yeah. Got the gram lights, yeah. Got the dual caliper. Got the e-brake.
Oh yeah.
Got the Supra. How about this car? You like this car? The yellow Z. No, why? You don't think yellow is a good color? Oh, the Corolla with the thing. Cut front bumper. Let's look at it. You got a cut front bumper. Is it too bright? Why do I change the setting on this? It's so bright. You don't like the Bentley? What? Okay. How about the GS? No? No GS? No? What about this Z right here? We'll go over there and take a look at it. How about white and black rims? No? GTST 4-door Skyline. That's what Julia likes though. I got the Hawaii tag. The what?
The colorful bolts.
Colorful bolts. They're called dress-up bolts.
Oh.
Hey, remember when you had one of these cars?
Yeah.
yeah, I remember. How about the BMW with the supercharger sticker? No? Skyline. Can you point out which one's the Skyline?
The gray one.
Which one?
That gray one.
I like the front bumper of the newer 370Zs. It just looks, I don't know, better.
You're correct.
Got the raised infinity on forged rims.
That's the car you want?
All right, so what car did you like the most?
The blue one that has the door going up.
Why?
Because the doors go up.
That's it?
And I like the color.
Okay. What about the pink rims? Don't like the pink rims? Those are the Heritage heart rims. Yeah. All right, on the way home. No, you wouldn't like them?
Maybe if they're a lighter pink.
A lighter pink?
But I do like them though.
All right, where next?
Dunkin' Donuts.
Okay, all right. Dunkin' Donuts. Yeah, about to leave, but no. Mark's some shit.
It's kind of like a gun show where you know you're gonna hear a taser, but at a car show you know someone's gonna grab it.
Dunkin' Donuts.
I want some D. I want some small little round D's in my mouth.
She got her holes.
My favorite, the black ones.
I thought you just said you liked the white. Where to now?
Into my mouth.
You want to sit in some traffic? You want to drive through the strip?
Okay.
We'll do a time lapse of the strip. Alright, we'll do that. Yay, let's see what's crack-a-lacking at my cousin's house. Ooh, it's 13. What's up, dude?
So you can see the turbo leak right there. So when I was looking, because I didn't even know it was what. But the top banjo bolt, banjo bolt's the coolant line, and then the bottom one's the oil for the turbo. And then if I get the S14 water neck, it already comes with a thing where you can add a
Put it in.
adapter on the bottom to run the coolant line to the turbo instead of.
So, oh, you hit by the line?
But the turbo still seems solid. But that wouldn't make the car do what it was
Sputter,
doing, yeah.
yeah.
So I still don't know what that is. I think that's just the math. But makes it look so easy when they do all the refreshes. Makes you want to just pull it out and just do it.
I think Addie has the flu.
Why? What's she doing
Having
now?
a high fever.
What does she have now? That's it. Then you can get rid of all this other stuff underneath it.
Oh yeah, they also said check vacuum. Check vacuum hoses. Because I know there's some like underneath the intake manifold also.
There's only two. These two. That one right there. I don't know if that's coolant. There's that one, and then there's another one. I think on that side somewhere. But I don't know. Just actually looking through it. This is just all the harness tucked. I don't even know why this is in the car. No more even in the car.
It's okay. Where's it connected to the motor though?
Huh?
Is the heater core connected to the motor?
Well, the two plugs are. I don't know why that's in the car. That should have been deleted. Because the other thing too, they said that line that you can tap in, because the coolant line runs to the back.
To the back, yeah. There's that small little nipple thing.
And they said to delete that, you get rid of that and everything, then you can just tap it into the neck. And then you just loop whatever you don't need since it's not running to the heater cord. That I could get rid of underneath here, but yet again, when I did the swap, I didn't do anything. I just threw it in the car.
Swap it.
And this thing, get rid of that or fix
Make
it
it
some
smaller.
other spot.
Well, you still want it to be above the radiator though, that's why.
Yeah. But I don't know. Maybe get new clips. I'll take this off and I can at least change the front seal.
You should have got Alzone. These are the same ones.
They're just like radiators.
Yeah,
zip
radiator
ties,
zip
something
ties.
like that.
Yep.
Yeah, see, I only had this gasket for this pipe, but so no more. It was just metal to metal.
See? This the
So,
oh, it's the intake, yeah. You're doing that now with exhaust, okay? So, here's the thing.
I'll just can blow into the pipe and can make this go off. But yeah, I don't know, man. So the more I look at it, the more I just don't want to look at it because then I want to just redo it.
Take it all out. No, then you have another project. This one's running for now.
Yep. I don't know. But
All right.
let's see the difference with this one. This is that. Take that out. Take that out. Take this off. Fix that underneath part.
Yeah.
Fix that to AN lines. And then clean it up.
Like right now, if you want a more in-depth video of his car. Yeah.
Maybe when I find out what's wrong with it.
What's wrong with it? Yeah.
Big intercooler for nothing.
Not even. It's for something.
I don't know. Boost gauge. Boost.
How long has she been sick now? Like a week and 2 weeks? Damn.
No, it's actually been.
Back home now. Yeah. Well, hope you enjoyed the little car show that they had today. Shoots.